Known as the Venice of Latvia, it's a place where history and nature beautifully blend. The star attraction is Ventus Rumba, Europe's widest waterfall, where you can watch locals practice traditional fishing techniques. Wander through the picturesque streets lined with red-roofed houses and colorful wooden buildings. The Alexipite River flows right through the town, adding to its idyllic atmosphere. Whether you're enjoying a leisurely stroll, discovering the town's historic bridges, or simply soaking in its romantic charm, Kuldiga is a destination that will capture your heart.